Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Camry base package. This is a 5-passenger sedan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On top of the door you'll find your power windows, locks and mirrors. On the bottom you have some storage space. This Camry is equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your manual seating adjustment handles. To start it up, we got our key fob here. Just press that button and that key folds out. Let's start this Camry up. All right, take a look on the left side of the steering wheel here. Now you have this cluster, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display. Underneath that you have your volume buttons, and you also have hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, and in the circle you have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side it displays any audio that's playing, any device that's connected. You can press the right side and view your trip information as well as your history. If we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera as well. Underneath that is your climate control system. You got these nice smooth turning dials for your intensity and your temperature. Down below we have some storage space. This bottom piece does slide open. This is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary as well as your 12-volt outlet. Inside the back here we have some storage space on the bottom, just like the driver's side door. And of course we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black cloth seating. In the center here we can pull this piece down, giving you access to 2 cup holders and a little armrest. To open up, all we gotta do is hold that third button on the key fob and that trunk will open for us nice and easy. The Camry providing plenty of cargo space. Rear seats do fold down in case you need that extra bit of room. You can also lift this bottom piece up, and this hooks on to the top like so. And inside here you'll find your tools to change your spare tire, located right underneath in case the one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our Toyota Camry, once again some of the great features you'll find includes your backup camera, turn signals on the side mirrors, hands-free calling, and Bluetooth capabilities. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.